Hey everyone, welcome back to SkillLeading. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful solution for all your SQL Server database backup needs. If you're an IT admin or working with databases, this tool is a must-have for scheduling automated backups without any hassle. Plus, I'm going to show you how to set it up with Task Scheduler to run automatically. Let's dive in. First, go to the video description and click on the download link I've shared. It's quick. Download the tool, and you're ready to start backing up your SQL databases. Now, here's the exe file that I created. This tool is designed to make taking SQL Server backups incredibly simple. With a few clicks, you can automate your backup process and ensure that your database is always safe and secure. So what makes this tool special? Let's take a look at the key features. 1. Whether it's daily, weekly, or any custom schedule, this tool ensures your databases are always backed up on time. 2. No need to enter the server, database, or login details every time. Once you set it up, it remembers everything. 3. If something goes wrong, the tool provides detailed logs so you can troubleshoot easily. 4. It checks for the required SQL Server modules and installs them if needed, making the tool ready to use, even for beginners. 5. It automatically creates log files so you can track every backup process with timestamps. Copy this software to a secure location. To schedule auto backups, make sure to copy the config.json file to the system32 folder in your C drive. This config.json file will be created after you fill in the details for the first time in the software. So let's go ahead and set it up. Type remote signed here, or you can type unrestricted. Now, it's showing that SQL Server module for PowerShell is not installed, so it will install it automatically. You just have to click on OK. First, enter your SQL Server name along with the instance name. Next, specify which database you want to back up. Then browse and select the backup location path. Now, enter your SQL Server username and password. You can also use your Windows login details if needed. Once all that's done, the software is ready. Just open it, and it will automatically back up your databases. If any error occurs, don't worry. This tool handles everything and generates proper logs for each step. Now, as you can see, an error has popped up. Let's figure out why this happened. First, we'll check the logs generated by the tool in the C drive. First, I need to verify if the SQL Server login details are correct. Next, we'll look at the software logs. Alright, now you can see that the backup location path isn't valid, so we'll need to update that. I'll go ahead and change it. After updating the backup location, we'll need to delete the config.json file and re-enter the details we filled in earlier. Here you go. The configuration is complete and the databases have been backed up successfully. Now the next step is to set up a task to run this automatically. So let's go ahead and create that task. First, let me show you the backup file created by this tool. You can see that the file is located at the backup path, and you can restore it on your SQL Server anytime. Now, let's check the logs to confirm the successful backup of the databases. As I mentioned earlier, we need to copy and paste the config.json file into the System32 folder in the C drive. Otherwise, the software won't run automatically. Once that's done, we can proceed to create the task in Task Scheduler. So let's follow these steps to set it up. And that's how simple it is to handle your SQL backups with this tool. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool makes managing databases super easy. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to SkillLeading for more cool tips and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.